Welcome back, everybody. We got a sort of an unboxing video for you today. It's actually something I'm upgrading, so we're gonna open this up and then we'll check it out. Looks like it's from a company called Bulk Hero, but that's a strange name. Hope you guys are doing well out there, having a decent weekend and staying warm. Alexa, what's the temperature?
Currently, in Maricopa, it's 59 degrees with cloudy skies. Today, you can expect lots of clouds, with a high of 63 degrees and a low of 48 degrees.
So it's a little bit chilly here in Arizona, but that's alright. Good day for a video. Oh, look at that. I wonder if these are the edible kind. Oh, they are. Tastes like corn. Alright, what do we got here? What do we got here? So, we got a new water pump today for the sump tank. One of the water pumps is wearing out. Yesterday I did an underwater video, and in part of it you can actually hear it, the motor going clack, 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 clack underwater. It's quite interesting. Oh, this is heavy. A little thank you book. Let's see what this is. Some swag. Some stickers or something? No. Thank you. Da, da, da. Alright. What's this? Instructions? Nope, it's a pull sheet and it's autographed. Interesting. Alright, so let's see if there's anything else in here. Doesn't feel like it. Just a bunch of more peanuts. Yeah, that's it. Alright, I'll clean that up later. So I have an upgraded pump here. This is 3,170 gallon. Let's open it up. This is twice the size of my other pump. So let's see what does the sides say. Usually these have a, there we go. So it's the second biggest one they have. So 3,175 gallons per hour. Let me get closer. I don't know if you guys can read that. It is 120 volts, 1.6 amps. It says the head height, 13 feet. That's pretty high. Alright. There's one here that says 100. It says 20 foot head height on this 1,500 gallon per hour. Wow. Interesting. Alright, well, let's get this. Open this thing up here. There we go. We got a book. Submersible pump. Wow, look at that extension cord. Holy smokes. That's like 30 feet. That's plenty. Alright. It's actually only needs to be like 6 feet long because I have an outlet out there. That's okay. And it's got like a whole bunch of freaking twisty ties all tangled up on here. Someone must have opened this before. I might have to cut that off. Alright, let's see what kind of attachments we got in here. So we have some threaded attachments. Looks like I'm not sure what that is. 1.5 inch? Let's see. Oh wow. So this must be different size hoses you can use. I might be able to actually use this one. We'll see. We'll have to see. Otherwise I'll have to put something together to make it work. Man, this thing's really heavy. Holy smokes. What's this? Some kind of a stand for it. clip on or something. I don't know. There we go. Wow. Alright, so what kind of filters on here? There is no filter. Alright, we'll check out the impeller. Alright, wow. That's quite a bit different design than the other one. The other one is just like a little plastic piece that looks like an X. Okay, so man, this is gonna be awesome. This is gonna be attached to my fish tank, so this is gonna be drawing water from the sump tank and going up to the fish tank. So I might not need anything to cover this because there's not really anything that'll fit in here. The sump tank's pretty much just a lair for a giant fish to live in. Alright, well, let's get this out there and see what we got to work with. See, my goal is, I have the water pumping in here. I was using these spray bars, but the water was splashing out and it would get down in here and leak down onto the ground. Well, I was losing water that way. It took me a minute to figure out where the water was coming from. I thought this thing had a crack in it. So I want to run this 3/4 inch line. I want it to go down underwater, so there's no splashing at all. So with my current pump, it's actually wearing out, so I can't actually do that and then have an even flow to either tank. So we're gonna try it this way. I don't even know if I can get that in here. This pump is so big it may not fit through the opening, and that is actually what the case is. Fascinating. I'm gonna have to push this whole thing over a few inches. I'm not sure if I can do that. We'll give it a shot. Could be really heavy and fall off. Oh, no, not at all. That was actually very easy. Alright, so we need to get the pump that's attached to this line. So find out which one of these is attached to it and unplug the darn thing. Alright, I'm just gonna unplug both of them. There's a big mess here, all tangled up. Alright, so here's the attachment I have here. You can see the difference in the size of the pumps. Quite a bit different design too, actually. They're completely different. So we'll just undo this one. It's all slimy. There we go. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, yummy. Fish poop. Alright. Actually, before I pull that out of there, I'm going to tie this end on there. Alright, here. What do we got here? Yeah, this is really long. This is crazy. I don't need anything nearly this long. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie this on here and pull it out through the other side. Real quick. There we go. little trick to get that out of there. And then I can pull that one out and get it out of the way. I may clean that up and take it apart and have it as a backup. Alright, next. Alright, we're back. And here's what I've come up with here. This part right here, this part will be the bottom where the pump is attached, and then I've got this little connector here so that I can replace the parts or work on the pump if I need to. And then this is where the water is going to come out and then up into this guy and up to the house. And then I've got a valve over here just in case the pump is like crazy powerful and it overfills my fish tank, so I can open this up and release some of the pressure. And then I got the one-way valve on here so that the fish tanks don't siphon out. I'm kind of thinking I put that in the wrong spot now. I'll have to think about that. Can't really do anything about it now. It's already cut and glued together. Let's have a think about that, and I'll have to come back. But that's kind of cool, because if that is a problem, then I just caught it right now. But it's already glued together, but let me see what I can do. Alright, I got it started. Now I can do it the rest of the way by hand here. Alright. Don't want it too tight. I'm not gonna get it off later. Well, let's see here. This should be open. Yeah, that's open. I think. I guess we'll find out here. Put this back on. Alright, throw the extension cable down there, out of the way, and here we go. Alright, that's some good flow. Let's go. I got it wide open right now. See what we got going on over here. I don't see any air bubbles coming out. Okay, might have to close the valve. Let me reach down here, see if I feel any water. No, I don't feel any water coming out. So we'll go over here and close the valve a little bit. We'll try that. I hear it. Alright. I don't see any water coming out yet. Maybe we'll turn the valve off all the way. Okay, it's on full pressure now. Huh. There's not a lot of water coming out of there. Well, that one's got a lot of bubbles. Let's turn off the air pumps here so I can actually see. See bubbles coming out. Can't really reach down in there to feel the pressure on that. I did put that painter's bag around the pump, and that might be causing some issues. Yeah, that's really low flow. I do have a lot of elbows though. I know that could be part of the problem. Let's go turn the pump off and then take the filter bag off of it and see if that helps. So I'm just unplugging. Easy peasy. And alright. At least it's easy to take off. Okay, got the pump here. Let's take this bag off. And just for the heck of it, I'm gonna turn it on while it's in there, not connected, and see what kind of pressure is coming out. Whoa! Look at that. That is crazy. Alright. Now let's take the pump and reattach it. Almost there. We got the threads going. Sorry about the poor video taping right now. So it's kind of awkward position here. Alright, now let's try this again. Okay. More bubbles. Still, water flow is terrible. Should be flying out of there. Yeah, that's not very good. The other pump was way more powerful. I'm not sure what's going on here. Yeah, that's no better than it was before. Interesting. I'm not sure what the deal is. That's not good. It has to be I guess it's got just too many doggone elbows. So let me think here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Huh. Oh well. We'll have to stop this video and think about this. Alright, so I did some changes here. I cut a couple of things out and replaced them. So I'll show you what I did here. This piece was right here, and if you're wondering what the difference is, it's this T right here. I must have ran out of pieces, and I used a 3/4 inch T to fit into these 1 inch adapters. And also down at this end I had the same type of thing. I had a 3/4 inch 90 and a 1 inch, so it's reducing the size. So I replaced all that with 1 inch, so I've got okay water flow, and it looks very even in both tanks. And then tomorrow I'm going to eliminate 3 90s. So I'm going to cut this off right here, and then I'm going to cut it off down here where it comes up out of the ground. Right here, I'm going to cut this off, and I'm going to get some 45s and make it just a straight shot up, sort of like this, at an angle. Oh, that's weird. So yeah, it'll be like something like this over there. So that'll eliminate 3 bends, and that should increase the pressure. Should, and fingers crossed. So we'll end this one for today. So see if I can do this where it's not too dark. Alright, thank you guys for joining me in this little project with the pump upgrade. And then I will do a follow-up video tomorrow to see if taking out 3 90s, 3 good angles, because I know every time you put an elbow in, it slows down the water flow. So I'm going to try to get rid of 3 of them and see if that'll increase it again. And then yeah, I'll thank you guys for tuning in. If you have any comments, post those down at the bottom, questions, and hit that like button, subscribe. If you click the little bell next to the subscribe button, you'll get a notification each time I make another video and upload it if you're interested in following along. So thank you guys for tuning in. Have a great day and keep building.